Hi folks, Loïc here with great news. Why spending so much time configuring articulation sets in Logic Pro while you certainly have better things to do? Your solution is LASE to manage your Logic Pro articulation sets easily and quickly and spare 2 to 3 times the effort. With the release 1.2, LASE has never been so easy and efficient to work with. Let's review that. In addition to creating from a blank page or loading an existing set from Logic Pro, LASE now offers you the possibility to import from an Excel worksheet or CSV or TXT file. After loading a file, you'll see a preview of its import, and you can either append or replace the imported set. The syntax is very straightforward and allows you to prepare articulation sets ahead of their creation. An example, using AI, you could turn the settings of a plugin into an Excel worksheet in one prompt. And of course, you can still type articulations quickly, add a prefix, reorder them, and renumber them, assign a color, or let LASE choose it for you. And you can also batch modify channel or symbol. Now, let's switch to the output stamp. Of course, LASE supports multiple outputs as Logic Pro does, and allows batch assignment of type, channel, MIDI note, CC, and value. Or, instead of setting the same value, you can also set a sequence of notes, CC, or values based on the starting point. Now, LASE 1.2 introduces a new feature, MIDI Learn. MIDI Learn works in 2 ways, one-shot and continuous. To activate one-shot, click once on the button, select the row, and then action your keyboard or control surface. The supported MIDI messages are Note On, CC, and Program Change. LASE listens to any incoming message from any MIDI port. To activate continuous mode, double-click on MIDI Learn, select a row, send a MIDI message. Then you can choose another row and send another MIDI message, and so forth. Thus, you can quickly configure a series of key switches. This mode is also useful to fine-tune a value. Double-click MIDI Learn to deactivate. Pretty useful, right? Last, let's switch to switches. You can add and delete rows. LASE autofills the missing rows when you add some based on the articulations list. Batch actions allow you to select and modify status, mode, CC selector, and even low and high values. If LASE detects an overlap in values, which may lead to key switching issues, the rows are highlighted to help you fixing it. Now, switches benefits also from MIDI Learn. Let's do it again. First, with a one-shot assignation, then with continuous mode. Or you can still use autofill to let LASE quickly create all switches as a sequence. Magic! LASE 1.2 is already available at loicdesjardins.com, see the link in the description. It still supports online and offline activation on up to 2 machines. Please note that I'll raise the price to €29.99 US dollar in a few weeks. So now is the last chance to grab it at its initial price, and you can still benefit from 10% off using the code YouTube10 at checkout. And you can still try it for 14 days. That's it. enjoy LASE, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!